The core difference between for loop and while loop is, if you know how many number of iterations you need to take, go for loop. If you don't know how many iterations it is going to take, you have to go to while loop. It means if you know 100 iterations, give that number to the for loop. If you don't know 100 iteration but you have a condition to satisfy, then go for while loop. Let me give you a simple real-time example. You have 100 chocolates, you give to 100 students in the class. What you will say is, please share these 100 chocolates to the 100 students. That is the only thing that you will tell to the student. He will directly go there and he'll keep on distributing one chocolate for one student till 100 chocolates are done. That is the for loop. What happens with while loop is, he will not tell that there are 100 chocolates in his box. He will just tell, please go and give these chocolates till the box is empty. So it means now you know the condition here is box becoming empty. So he will keep on distributing chocolate one at a time. By the time all chocolates are done, he'll be done. So the situation here is, if you know 100 iterations, go for loop. If you don't know 100 specifically, but you have a scenario to comfort, which is to satisfy, so go for while loop. So now if I say for I in range of, let's say 100, okay? And I would, let me just give a small number. What will this do, guys? If you, this will make from 1 to 50. 50 is getting excluded, so 1 to 49. It will print numbers from 1 to 49, excluding 50. It means you are deciding that it should have 50 iterations or 50 numbers, right? So let's run this. You can see it starts from 0 till 49, which means it is excluding the input that you gave, 50. Okay, if somebody is worrying why did he only give one parameter, if you're just giving one parameter to the range, it means it's the start, it's the ending value, guys. By default it starts with 0 and it ends with the number excluding that specific number that you give. Okay, you can either give like this, or let me comment it, or you can also give input like this, 0 comma 50. Step value is by default 1 itself. You either do this, it is the same thing, or you either do this, it's the same thing. You will still get the same thing, 0 to 50, 0 to 50. Okay, so the understanding here is you have decided 50 iterations to happen, right? But what happens with while loop is, let it know it should start from 0, right? While, what should I write here? If I say range of 50, still it will work. You can just write I in range of 50 and then go inside print I, increment the value by 1, which is nothing but me writing like this. I can either write like this or write like this, right? So when I run this, it's printing from 0 to 49. For loop is also printing the same, while loop is also printing the same. But what is the difference is, here you know that it is 50 iterations. But here in this case, this is fine. Alternative to that logic is, you can also write I less than 50. It means this is a condition that you want to satisfy at that point of time. And as you know, until unless a number is not greater than 50, please print it. You can say that, or you can also say until unless the number is still less than 50, till then you keep on moving and print these numbers. This is a condition that I am trying to satisfy. Here I'm not saying it has to be 50 iterations, right? It has to be 100 iterations or like that. I am just giving a condition here. So now let me run this. It will still print 0 to 50. Okay, yeah, that's it. Thank you.